Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Chainlink. In this video I'm talking about the urgent and latest update of the Chainlink. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Chainlink holders wake up in the market. It's time to make a huge amount of profit. It's time to make profit with the Chainlink methods. Anyways, let me show you the latest update now. The currently live price of the Chainlink in the market is 23.69% USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Chainlink. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes occurring in the Chainlink, so absolutely my friends, now the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, whole changes occurring in the Chainlink is going in positive mood. Every time Chainlink is in the pumping mood. And absolutely, Chainlink will give you a huge amount of profit. Just hold. 12 is the market rank of the Chainlink. And furthermore, if we talk about the price chart of the Chainlink, so absolutely, you know what, my friends, guys, Andriod Chainlink is in the trending coin in the market. And from the price chart, that's also clear that every day the Chainlink price pump. And I hope they will continue this pump for a long time. Positive 8.37% the price increase in the last 1 day, in the last 24 hours, in 24.45 USD dollar is the highest price of the Chainlink in the market. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Chainlink? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.